I'm looking for any notable wartime pieces.
Yeah, you've got good taste. Yeah.
Is that a Hamilton Khaki?
It is. I've been looking for one. Just perfect.
Hamilton military issue. Decades of neglect. Severe water damage. It's authentic. Challenge accepted.
Good morning, old friend. Let's take a look at you.
Extensive water damage. Crystal is shattered. Dial is a challenge. Rusted completely. It needs a full rebuild.
The strap has rotted away completely. The spring bars are rusted, but I think they're salvageable. Corrosion around the lugs. That will need a thorough cleaning.
Patience now. Just a little more leverage. There it is, broken free. Look at that rust inside. It's salvageable.
Fourth wheel, more wear here.
Finally, the escape wheel. The mainspring barrel from the Hamilton looks heavily corroded. Old grease, rust everywhere, definitely brittle.
Yeah.
It's a definite replacement, set aside for cleaning.
Time for the Hamilton. Just a few final checks before we begin.
With maximum precision. The heart is beating.
After all this time.
Perfect. Right on the mark.
The damage is extensive, but the historical value is too great to lose. Yes, restore the original. Preserve the markings.
This Hamilton represents a lost era of craftsmanship.
It's been through a lot.
But the integrity of the steel is still there.
And we're going to bring it back.
The polishing is complete, it's flawless. The US military specifications are crystal clear, perfect. Oh. Precision alignment is key, settling perfectly into place, securing the hands one by one. Clearance checked, no rubbing.
With this reproduction strap, the installation is complete, just like it would have been back then.
Yeah.
And there it is, a WWII Hamilton reborn. After all these months, she's perfect. An impossible restoration, preserved for history.
Hamilton on professional timing machine, the watchmaker, monitoring accuracy, putting timing machine to spinal.
The records confirm it. Hamilton serial number 472855, issued 1943, Europe.
I wanted to show you the result of the restoration of your father's Hamilton.
Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. I haven't seen it like this since I was a little girl.
I wanted to show you the result of the restoration of your father's Hamilton.
Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. I haven't seen it like this since I was a little girl.